Hello everyone, welcome to Catherine's ESL Classroom. In today's lesson, we are going to discuss verb tense agreement. Specifically today, we are going to focus on simple past, present, and future of regular verbs. Now, the reason why today's subject is so important is because a lot of people are very confused with verb tenses and how to use them in sentences when they write. So let's get started. Rule 1, simple subject and verb agreement. The agreement is they must agree in number. For example, the dog growls when he is angry. The dogs growl when they are angry. Dog is the subject. Verb is growls. Okay, so you notice dog is singular, one dog, and it growls. You add the S. Dogs is more than one dog, and it will growl. So the dogs growl, there's no S. That's the verb and subject agreement. It's very simple, okay? There are exceptions, but these are the simple ones. Let's learn more. So the verb tenses and agreements. So you notice here the person I. In the past tense, we use the verb. Let's use walk, to walk. So the verb is walk, and you add ed in the past tense. Here's an example. I walked. In the present tense, we just use the verb walk. I walk. And in the future tense, we add will in front of the verb walk. I will walk. Now let's do we, the pronoun we. We is the person. We in the past tense, we use the verb walk plus ed. Here we go. We walked. In the present tense, we just use walk. We walk. And in the future tense, we add will plus the verb walk. We will walk. Now let's use the person you or the pronoun you. In the past tense, we use the verb plus ed. That's the agreement. You walked. In the present tense, we just use the verb walk. You walk. And in the future tense, we add will in front of the verb walk. You will walk. Now let's use the person or the pronouns he, she, or it. In the past tense, we use the verb plus ed. Here we go. He walked. She walked. It walked. And in the present tense, we're doing it now, we use the verb walk plus s or es. He walks. She walks. It walks. And in the future tense, we add will in front of the verb. He will walk. She will walk. It will walk. Now let's use the person or pronoun they. In the past tense, we use the verb walk plus ed. They walked. And in the present tense, we just use the verb walk. They walk. And in the future tense, we use the word will in front of the verb. They will walk. Now let's practice. Here are 3 examples of how we use the verb tenses and the subject. So the subject and verb agreement in the most simple form. So I'm asking you the question, what is the tense? Well, what is the tense in number 1? Alexandra directed a play. Alexandra is the noun, it's a person, and directed is the verb. So directed is the past tense because we added ed. Remember the rule over here? We add ed, verb plus ed. Now let's do number 2. Lena will show me how to use a microscope. Lena is the subject or the noun. Will show me how to use a microscope. Will show is in the future tense. The first part of the 2-word verb is will. You notice there's a little trick here. There's another verb, to use. There are 2 tenses here. So Lena will show me how to use. So will show is the future tense. To use is in the present tense because they are going to do it and they will be doing it when they do it. Does that make sense? Okay, number 3. Isaac eats a lot of steaks. Let's repeat. Isaac eats a lot of steaks. Isaac is the subject or the noun, it's a person. Eats is the verb, a lot of steaks. So eats is in the present tense. Okay? So here are the rules again. Past tense, we add ed. Future tense, we add will. The present tense, depending on which one it is just the verb unless it's he, she, or it. Then we just add an s or an es. Okay? Well, that's all for now. I hope you're having a great day and looking forward to the next class. Be well.